Oh my God! Wow!
Hi friends, welcome to Evoto AI Creative. When you're going out or traveling, you'll take photos to capture the moment, but sometimes an awkward double chin shows up in the picture. By the time you notice it, you might not find a better angle to reshoot, or you might only realize the problem after you get home. Luckily, there's a simple trick to fix it. Remove double chin with Evoto. First, choose your PC system, then download and install Evoto. I've put the download link on the description. Once done, you can run it and find the plus icon. Then you can choose Create Project or Import Image. In this time, I'll choose Create Project. Then you can see two pages called Library and Edit. You can import images under the project you created. Then shift to Edit page. You will see Loop View and Before After View. Choose it with your working habits. Now, you can see all features on the right side, and we choose Portrait Retouching this time. Then you need to find the feature called Double Chin. You can drag the slider to adjust double chin, intensity and shadow. The effects will change in real time. Once finished, you can click the button or press space to see before and after. Now you can sync the same double chin settings to the photos you want. Boom! It's easy, right? Then you can export them when you're satisfied. Let's go to download Evoto and try it now. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Leave any advices or you want to ask in comments.